Starview's FAB Series fully automated rotary-type blister sealing machines are ideal for high volume or just-in-time production. Under proper conditions, these machines are capable of producing packages at a rate of up to 20 cycles per minute. Machines are available with 6 or 8 stations and nominal sealing areas of 14 by 18 inches or 18 by 24 inches. An automatic blister feeder, card feeder, and finished package unloader greatly reduce the labor required to produce packages and allow increased operating speeds. A wide variety of optional features and automation are available for these machines to increase the versatility and further reduce labor input, such as the package flip over and discharge to conveyor as shown here. Contact us to learn more about the Starview Advantage.